Hello, I am Bindu from Crochet Smash. Today we are going to do a corner to corner crochet square. Okay, let us begin. We make 6 chains, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're going to yarn over and 1, 2, 3 on here, 4. On the 4th chain from hook, we make a double crochet. Then the next chain, we make another double crochet. So we made 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochets here. First chain 3 turning is considered as the first double crochet. Then we made 3 more double crochet. Then from this top we are going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. And now 1, 2, 3 on the we have to have 4 double crochets here. So 4, 3, 2, and this will be the first one. So 1, 2 on the 3rd chain from the hook we make 1 double crochet, 1, that's 2, and we make another one more, 3. This is the first block we made, this is the next block we made. So we are going to make a slip stitch to the first block, just like this. Now on this chain 3 loop we are going to make 4 double crochets. First is chain 3, that is first double crochet, then second and third and 4. So we made 4 double crochets on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we make chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again going to 1, 2, 3. On the 3rd chain from hook we make another double crochet. So that is another block of double crochets. It's like this. Now we go and make a chain stitch, a slip stitch to this block, then make 1, 2, 3, then 3 more double crochet, 2. So this is next block we made. Then here, then chain 3, just like this, extending from this side and this side. So we will make one more diagonal. It goes diagonally, like this is the one side, this is the other side, and this is diagonal. So when we make, it will go more up and more lengthwise. 2, 3, 4, 5. On the 3rd chain from hook another one, 2, 3, and 4. Turn this part, so you can slip stitch to here, then again 3 chains, this block is made, then join this block to make it like this. So we slip stitch 1 2 3 chains, then 3 double crochet. Another block is done. Chain 3 and 3 double crochet. Once you are here, you make 5 chains. 1 2 3 4 5. Then 1 2 3 chains, and we do double crochet on the third chain from hook, then another double crochet, then another double crochet. That will become another block in the corner to corner. Then we go like this, 2 3, always count 1 2 3 4, then slip stitch to the next block and repeat chain 3 and 3 double crochet. Now I want to finish making this as a square, so I want to finish here, and I'm going to reduce, so it will be like there's a triangle already, and I'm going to make it like a finishing it like a square. So what we do is turn your work and slip stitch onto this one, next stitch, and next stitch, and I'm going to slip stitch you here in that 3 chain loop, then 1 2 3 chains, then 3 double crochet. Now see, instead of going all the way, like going this way, it is coming to a close, like it is going upwards now. Now we slip stitch here, then 1 2 3, and 3 double crochet. One, two, three, 4. Then I'm going to slip stitch here, See, check this one. It's like both the sides are equal, right? We want to make a square, so we are going to finish it there and slip stitching to the loop, then chain 3 and 3 double crochet. This is how we decrease the blocks to make the square. I always count to make sure I made 4 double crochets. In my next video I will show you how to make a rectangle. We are reducing, right? So we turn and slip stitch and chain 3. Sorry. One, two, three, four. Yes. Chain 3, 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Then slip stitch. 1, 3 chains and 3 double crochet. Always chain 3 and 3 double crochet will make one block. Done here. So we turn and slip stitching. 1, 2, 3 and do the loop. Then chain 3. The double crochet. Slip stitch, then slip stitch back towards that chain 3 loop and slip stitch into the loop and then chain 3. 1, 2, 3. We made one corner to corner block. See, this is not like a granny square, it is less holes, more dense stitches, and see the texture.